In our upcoming Module 2, we'll be looking at data to help us identify goals for our program. With the Ask a National model, goals for a comprehensive counseling program are based on student outcomes related to achievement, attendance, and discipline. We'll be looking at our school data to see how students are doing in these three areas. In addition to student achievement, attendance, and discipline data, the ASCA model also uses other data, such as student surveys, pre-post tests, needs assessments, focus groups, or even anecdotal information from teachers, administrators, parents, or other stakeholders to help inform or provide context about what might be affecting or impacting student achievement, attendance, or discipline. This is called supplemental data. Supplemental data helps you dig a little deeper and consider possible root causes for any gaps or discrepancies in student achievement, attendance, or discipline. For instance, you'd want to find out more about a certain class or grade level that has a high number of absences and why it's happening. Perhaps results from a needs assessment survey you used showed that students were reporting more incidents of bullying, or higher levels of stress, or not feeling safe at school, which could all be contributing to the issues with attendance. These needs assessment survey results are an example of supplemental data that will help you target and prioritize goals for your program and begin to think about strategies for reaching your goals. Schools often use surveys or needs assessments to gather this type of supplemental data, such as the Panorama survey, or even a locally created survey or needs assessment. And your school may have some results that you could use for our next module. You may also have information from your teachers or parents. However, if you don't have any type of supplemental data or would like to conduct a needs assessment, we have a sample student needs assessment that you can use. It is in the form of a fairly short survey using a Google form. Contact us to set up this needs assessment for you. If you choose to use our survey, it's best to give it before starting Module 2 so that you have results as soon as you begin looking at your data. You can contact me at kelly@inspiresuccess.org to set up a needs assessment for your school. This is the end of Module 1. As always, we're available for individual support through email, phone, text, or online by Zoom. If you need support, just reach out by calling or texting or emailing me at kelly@inspiresuccess.org.